Good morning, everybody. Good morning. This is Conrad Fang. After so long, I did not do any vlog. So today, for your information, it's my first day of quarantine in Malaysia. I just returned from Singapore. 2 weeks, 14 days. We'll enjoy the staycation, what people call it. Anyway, I don't mind. So this is my room, and I can walk you guys around and have a look how it looks like inside here. All right, let's go. Okay, this is the main door. Once you enter, you will see this is the room or the studio type. Here's the living room, and you got a small dining table and the kitchen. So kitchen area for the 14 days, I guess they prepared the whole thing's a box of drinking water. Okay, as you can see right here, 24 bottles. And I think this is for detergent for your clothes, shampoo, shower gel, paper towel, some stuff, some tidbits, and coffees, sugar, teas. You get a refrigerator, which is empty, and right behind here we got a empty. It's basically for you to do your laundry if you have a washing machine. Okay, and here's the bedroom where I sleep for the 14 days. You got my working desk, king size bed. You got a wardrobe, and here's the bathroom. It's pretty decent, as you can see. And right here, a couch where you can sit or you can lay down for your nap. A round table with a nice view. Oh my god, look at here what we got. Greeny Hill right in front of me. And right now I'm in the Madini area. As you, over there you can see it's a theme park, Legoland. Another buildings on my left side as well. Well, yeah, so this is the 14 days that I need to go through, and today is the first day, I think. Nope, second day, I guess, as today is July 2nd. I enter on the first, which was yesterday. So they on the yesterday, I guess they count as the first day as well. Anyway, I don't mind. It's good for me. I can be discharged earlier. Well, yeah. So stay tuned, guys, for the next video. As I'm gonna explain slightly details about what I experienced when I entered Malaysia from Singapore, and I can show, maybe hopefully able to give some helpful information to you guys. All right, so guys, stay tuned. I hope to see you guys later on. Don't forget to give a like and share my videos as much as possible to the rest of the people. It might be helpful for the others, and the most important things, do subscribe. I'll see you again on the next video. Bye for now.